I'm Deaf.
And I'm Dawson. I got this.
Ignore that.
And we're gonna bake a cake today. Oh, pancake gang.
Yeah.
Okay, since I'm the only one who can see and speak,
Read.
I'm gonna be reading the instructions. Even though I don't read Japanese, we're gonna figure out what this shit says. Mikusu.
Mikusu.
I don't know what that is.
It's,
I'm assuming this was one egg. Okay. We're making progress. One egg and 100 milliliters of milk. She's whisking the cakes.
Oh shit, what is it? Oh shit.
Let me pour the milk. Okay, wait. Go slowly. Keep whisking.
I'm doing it slowly, it's okay.
Wait. There's a big lump in the middle. Just go like pop.
Can I just...
Pop. No, that, not too heavy. And then...
I'm doing it so good.
If you guys wondering what I'm listening to,
Yeah.
I'm listening to Ado.
You're so loud.
That's the only Japanese singer I know, and I need help to read the instructions. So we're doing progress, gang. Are we breaking the bowl underneath?
I don't fucking know, guys.
We should clean that up, no?
Have you tried my hand juice before?
I didn't even realize what's the cake of.
You're not making any sense right now, Alejandro.
That's que? Hotoke. Ki. Mikusu. Unwari.
Buddy. Woo! You're such a Japanese expert. Okay, are we done here? Are we done here?
I don't think we need to add anymore.
Are we done here?
Huh?
Are we done here?
How long you have to whisk it for? Whisk it for a little bit longer.
Okay.
And then we'll go to the kitchen, we'll go to the frying pan,
Hell yeah.
and we'll start making these pancakes. Okay. So now we're in the kitchen, gang. Okay. Oh! Hiya. Let's say it's in it. She's facing the wrong way. How fast that's him? I put it down, we're gonna make some more. Look, pause it. Oh, that one came out perfect.
Is this Lauren's? Hi.
Aww. Look at that. That looks delicious. Okay, wait, let me flip it.
We're doing this so good.
1, 2.
Oh!
Ooh, look at that. That looks
So fucking good, I cannot see. I cannot see. Today, Ale is kind of doing things there that I'm not sure what he's doing. And Florence is here as our interpreter because, like, as you can see, I'm blind and he's deaf. But the thing is, like, Florence cannot speak. That's why. Right? I think I just
slapping my ass. I feel this is the second time I'm sexually assaulted.
Sorry, gang! I'm so sorry, gang! And he goes like, no, early.
Gusta la gasolina. And that's it, gang. We've finished making our pancakes. And now we're gonna do a test. We're gonna eat them. Okay, I think that's enough, no?
It's so sweet.
Show the camera.
Can I show it? We're gonna eat the pancakes. Woo!
Hey, open your mouth. I think there's a big piece. And a big piece. Okay, butt it. I'm gonna have this piece. Mmm. This turned out better than I expected. That's delicious.
So what do you think about pancakes? What do you think about pancakes? What are your opinions on waffles?
Oh, she wants more? W?
What is
A?
your
F? Waffles.
what is your opinion?
Do I like waffles?
What is your opinion on
I think these are nice. I like the texture of waffles, but I prefer this. Pancakes that soft texture. Delicious, delicious.
What about you? Ah, yeah, I agree with that. Are we just going to film a mukbang?
You wanna eat? Here you go. You want to feed ya? I'm gonna eat this, gang. This is too good.
Bye.
Oh, we're going back? Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.